Smart Lock Installation Tutorial 1. Door Lock and Accessories. Front Panel, Rear Panel, Flat Latch, Keys, Strike Plate, Strike Box, Self-Tapping Screws, Interlocking Screws, Screw Tubes, Front Handle, Rear Handle, Beveled Latch, Strike Plate, Strike Box, Self-Tapping Screws, Drilling Template, Instruction Manual. 2. Drilling Tutorial. Skip if no drilling required. Use the template and drilling guide provided. Select the left or right drilling template based on your needs. Fold the template along the door edge and align it with the door edge. Mark the required hole positions, then drill the marked holes on the door surface. 3. Installing the flat latch and beveled latch. Measure the distance from the door edge to the center of the lock hole. If it is 60 mm, proceed directly with the installation. If it measures 70 mm, adjust the latch to the 70 mm specification. The flat latch can be rotated to fit the 70 mm hole spacing. For the beveled latch, pull it to the right to extend it to the 70 mm position. Install the flat latch by placing it into the top door frame groove and securing it with self-tapping screws. Install the beveled latch according to the door opening direction. Place the beveled latch into the lower door frame groove and secure it with self-tapping screws. After installation, ensure the lock cylinder is perfectly centered in the lock cylinder hole on the door. 4. Assembling the front and rear lock panels. Push open the battery cover. Unscrew the 2 fixing screws and remove the base plate. Install the front lock in the top hole position. Stand the flat latch upright and pass the power cable underneath the latch. Pass it through the latch. Thread the power cable through the base plate. Secure it with 2 interlocking screws. Please don't tighten it first. Ensure the front lock is perpendicular to the door edge. Then fully tighten the interlocking screws. Insert the main wiring harness connector into the base. Pay attention to the insertion direction. Tuck the wires back into the door hole. Position the rear lock knob vertically. Align the flat latch with the base plate and snap the rear panel into place. Rotate the knob to check if the switching action is smooth. Screw in the fixing screws. Install 4 AA batteries. Pay attention to the battery orientation. Press and hold the SET button for 5 seconds, then press to confirm and initialize it. Close the battery cover. 5. Assembling the front and rear handles. Unscrew the interlocking screw from the screw tube on the front handle. Pass the square spindle of the front handle through the latch. Align the spindle horizontally with the knob on the rear handle. If the flat latch is vertical, ensure the rear handle knob is also vertical, or set the spindle vertically to match the vertical knob on the rear handle. Rotate the front and rear handles to check for smooth operation. Secure it to the screw tube using interlocking screws. Please do not tighten it fully yet. After tightening the interlocking screw on the other side, fully tighten all screws. Install the top and bottom strike boxes. Place the strike boxes into the door frame grobs, then install the strike plate and fasten it with self-tapping screws. Installation is now complete.